Does Talend provide variant management functionality? So let's have a look in this video. So luckily Talend offers this functionality and we can create multiple variants of a particular integration job, and let's have a look on how this could be handled. So let's create a new integration job. Let's give it name sample 2, and if you guys have noticed, the job has been created by default with the version 0.1, and let's maybe I would say add one component in or like two components, then we'll create a second variant defixed flow. So if you see at the very end of the integration job, so we have the job and then we have the label of the integration job and then 0.1, that's the current version. So if you want to create a second version for this integration job, then you can set the option open with, yeah, there we go, open another variant, and then we have an option either to create a mini variant or like a minor variant or a major variant, and I'll select this option, and then I have the option here M, and so minor variant is going to increment 0.1 in the previous variant, and if you say major variant, then it's going to increment 1 completely, 1.0. So for all minor variants, we so now right now we have the current variant 0.1 with all the details, and then 0.2 will be created and we are going to set for finished, and then we will be opening the new variant. And it's important to understand that you can only work on and edit the latest version of the integration job, but you can always go back and see what was being developed in the previous version. So right now we are in version 0.2, and that's why we can see the ending of the job name as 0.2. And let's create one more component in this one, and then we'll backtrack to the previous version, and then we'll see how that has been tackled. And so we know with the version 0.2 we have one more component, and now let's get back to the previous version and open another version, and I would select 0.1, and that's how it will be opened. And yeah, this is the one that we created with just one component. And if you guys notice, we cannot edit or update this component. There is no option to edit any properties or the configuration settings of the previous version, and we only stick with the latest version for editing and updates. And by the way, this is also a good functionality to keep track of different versions. And Talend also supports providing the functionality of job comparison. This is only available in the paid or enterprise version, and with this we can compare the previous version with the latest version, and this literally helps us to find the differences that have been added since the last update. So now I would say let's open 0.2, and we have the latest version open. We can basically go and edit the details. We can use, for example, input limited. We can add some data, so we can edit only the latest version. That's how you can manage versions for integration jobs.